Sassy.
She's going through the barrel. Hey, Dad, you know what?
I totally did.
Nice.
He's bored of it.
High five. Hey!
Miss Bitsy.
Oh, jeez.
Am I allowed to touch one?
Sure.
Because they're doing the comfy thing again.
Hey, Blondie. No growling. No. Smell my hand, bro.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Blow out the candles.
You want to go to Puerto Rico?
Chacho. Yeah.
Girl, are you comfortable? Sit.
Hey! Don't attack, dear. Be nice. Hey.
The squirrel doesn't know it can go up the tree. This has been going on for quite a while already, and I don't see an end in sight.
I'm gonna need you to not take my food. Mooch, no! If you touch my sandwich with your cat paws.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs
Almost got you, Ariel.
Finally. Wow.
Freaking.
Oh my god.
His tongue is hanging.
Cat.
Tactical stuff and guns.
I didn't even want to see Transport because it wasn't Jason Statham. But.
Moved herself to Enchanted Pine. And so, oh my God. I sent her a card the other day because I worried about her. She's a feisty little thing.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Right. Can you catch it? You want it? You got it? No. No.
Too busy attacking the water. Oh! Roku.
Got chicken choices because sometimes you want crispy and sometimes you want uncooked.
Serious and in rare cases, fatal bleeding. Don't take Eliquis if you have an artificial heart valve or a
Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let go! Let go! Let go! Oh my god.
Are you hungry?
Oh no!
Push it all the way up and hold it.
Oh, that was great.
Funny this whole video. Push it all the way up.
Get him, Tucker. Go get him, Tucker. Tucker, boy. Get him. Gotcha. Good boy.
Gosh.
It's like, what? I can't see. Get out of the way. You don't want to break it anyway, either way, but. Come on, dopey.
Are you my friend? So yes, I'm your friend.